It's no news that companies now want problem solvers and people with AI skills that can build solutions and AI projects for their companies. So for every skilled member or for every skilled professional, it is non-negotiable to actually have AI skills, because company wants people that can build solutions that can help them save time, increase revenue, and save money. This is why AI skill is very, very important in today's world. If you are not a developer, having practical AI projects in your resume shows that you can adapt and innovate. So this is why I am making this video to show you 5 AI projects that can make your resume stand out. And please note that this might be particular to some category of tech fields. How to know the AI project to build for your particular field or career? You can just look into your field. What can AI do in this particular field? For example, you're a cybersecurity expert. How can AI reduce cybercrime? You could just build a simple project in that line. Okay, so that is how to know. You can just list them out, pick one or two, build the project, put it in your resume. That will make you definitely stand out. But even though I'll be sharing like a general project idea in this video, it can also be applicable to your personal field and can make you stand out. So let's dive in. Number one is AI automation project, more like a business workflow. So it is no news. Businesses want what can save them time, and automation is the way. Now, I'm not talking about the traditional automation that we currently have on Zapier, or you can automate email, do this and do that. Now we have AI automation, which is more like automating critical tasks that normally would require human intervention. But now it doesn't require human intervention. AI is doing it. Everybody's saving time. People are focusing more on strategic roles or tasks, and while AI is doing the work. So there are a lot of automations that can be done, and it actually requires critical thinking. In your office, you could just look at, oh, what is my team doing manually? What is the CEO doing manually that can actually automate for him or her? What is marketing team doing manually that can try to automate for him or her? So having automation projects in your resume can definitely make you stand out, because hiring managers would see you as a problem solver and someone that can help them save time and save resources. So what are the tools that you can use to create AI workflows? You can use Make, you can use N8N, you can use Zapier. Zapier is also very, very popular at the moment, and there are other platforms that you can use, but those three are the most popular. This is what we do for businesses and organizations and Automatica, helping them automate 80% of their operations and saving them hours per week. Number 2 project that will make your resume stand out is AI-powered data analysis dashboard. So what does this even mean? See it as building a Google Sheet or Airtable with AI insight. I'll give you an example. So I built an AI sales agent for business, and then in the Airtable, even without having any AI or automation to it, I wrote a prompt on Airtable to analyze the information that a client would fill in and determine if the client is qualified or not. That is just basic data analysis, right? Having data analysis dashboard project in your resume can make hiring managers see you also as a problem solver, as a critical thinker. AI is definitely helping with data analysis nowadays. Even product managers, if you're a product manager, you could actually have an automation or AI-powered data analysis that actually go through customer insight, give you what they are going through, tell you how they actually feel, because a lot of customers, oh, it's good, it's fine, knowing the intent of that customer and let you know what their problem is. These are beautiful things that can make your resume stand out when you are doing interviews. And talking about this project during your interviews will definitely make you present yourself as a critical thinker and a problem solver. Number 3 is AI content generation system. In my first video on becoming AI literate in 30 days, I actually mentioned something like this. Building AI content generation system. You could write in your resume that I created AI content pipeline that increased content output 3 times for small businesses. That is so beautiful. It's especially good for social media managers, marketers, and a lot more. Even if you're a developer, the truth is not all marketers or not all social media managers will definitely know how to use AI. So your work as a developer is to build something like this to help solve their problem. You literally build solutions to help marketing team, to help social media team, to help media team in general, right? So building an AI content generation system is a way to go. So building an AI generation system is more like building a system that can generate social media posts, blogs with just a simple prompt. And so having this in your resume will definitely make you stand out as a critical thinker. Then number 4 is AI chatbot for customer support. I'm sure that you must have seen that chatbots, AI agent has been flying all around. And chatbot is one of the AI agents. There are a lot of AI agents that you can build. So agents are more like AI employees that businesses can use instead of human, or like working as a teammate with human. So chatbot is just one of many. Like I mentioned earlier, I built an AI sales agent. Without human intervention, this agent can pick client information, qualify them, call them, have discussion with them, summarize the call, know if they are interested or not. If they are interested, it sends a proposal to them, and if they are not interested, it sends a mail to the sales team to follow up with this person. That is beautiful. That is what a whole human sales rep would do on a normal day. So if AI is currently doing that, then all other person can just focus on other things that is more strategic and money making. So it is very, very important to have something like AI agent in your portfolio. It could be chatbot for customer support, like I mentioned. It could be sales agent. It could be reservation. It could be caretaker, anything. An agent that can definitely solve problems for your customers, for the organization, and for people at large. And the last project I have on my list, don't worry, I'm going to give you a bonus project. The last project I have on my list is AI-powered predictive model with simple machine language. So what does this do? What does it even mean? It's more like using AI to predict customer churn rate, inventory needs, sales trends, and a lot more. And in your resume, you could actually put or bullet this point that I built AI model predictive customer churn rate with 85% accuracy. Isn't that beautiful? Building something like that with 85% accuracy could definitely help your organization or the organization you want to work with retain more customers, make more money, and increase revenue. No organization or hiring manager will want to avoid or let such person go outside. It's more like, this is what we need. This is the skill we need, and we cannot wait to hire you right now. So now, these 5 projects, like I mentioned, might be particular to a certain field, but they are also general that you can implement and put on your CV for whatever field that you are. And if any of this project does not speak to you, this is what you are going to do. Write down different problems in your field. Think of how AI can solve it. Funny enough, you can use ChatGPT. What are the issues in my field that AI can solve? How can I solve it? What can I build? The solutions, it helps you. And from there, you see a problem to solve. Build a project around it, put it on your CV, post it on LinkedIn, and let hiring managers come running after you. So how do you showcase this project? Like I mentioned, you can put them as a bullet point in your resume, post them on LinkedIn, record a demo, show it on YouTube, on Instagram, TikTok, or any video platforms. Use metrics and outcome in your resume bullet point. Don't write, I built AI chatbot. No. I built an AI chatbot that increased customer support response time by 60%. That is metrics. That is result. So that is how to bullet your point and your achievement to make you stand out. You can even put link to case studies. That's if you work with clients or as a freelancer on building this AI project. Now to the bonus that I mentioned. Another AI project you can build is an AI-powered Chrome extension, whatever the Chrome extension does. There was this Chrome extension that I came across, Cleo. Even though LinkedIn already collaborated with the founder of Cleo to bring down Cleo, but what Cleo does is that as a Chrome extension, if you add it to your browser, it helps you sort out most popular LinkedIn posts for you to get inspiration from, even for your profile yourself or for others at all, most popular LinkedIn posts, most engaged, and all of those things. So for any creator on LinkedIn that are looking for post inspiration, you could actually use Cleo to get that inspiration on LinkedIn. That is just a simple Chrome extension that can actually work. So any Chrome extension, it could be to help developers to debug, it could be to, change your English or write your English better. It could be anything. It could even be to generate a quick message to send to your boss or generate email, Chrome extensions. That is also super powerful projects that you can add to your resume. I hope this video has enlightened you more on the project that you can add to your resume and make you stand out. I'm very sure that if you have one or two of these projects in your resume, hiring managers will not overlook you, because companies are looking for people and professionals with AI skills, and not just with AI skills, with AI experience to work with, because now organizations are more focused on increasing revenue, saving their time, and reducing cost. And that is what your AI skill can help them do. So have this project in your resume, boast about it, and I'm very sure it will land you your next big job. So if this video has helped you, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Comment your best project in the comment. I'll be waiting to read your comment, and see you in my next video.